Mechanical Watch Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global mechanical watch market size will be $61,025.2 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 5.5% from 2024 to 2031. North America mechanical watch market size of $24,410.1 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.7% from 2024 to 2031. Europe mechanical watch market size of $18,307.6 million. Asia Pacific mechanical watch market size of $14,035.8 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7.5% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America mechanical watch market size of $3,051.3 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.9% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa mechanical watch market size of $1,220.5 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.2% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.